This is the road down to Kapachira waterfall, and it's the first drop down to the baobab tree, for those of you who know where that is. And then this is what awaits us this morning. The road is gone, a whole new river course here. This was all pristine bush a day ago. This river has never ever flowed in this area.
We are now here at the ground, and we came for training with the 24 people. Yeah, so that with our chief, and we have trained more things.
I came here with a shallow faith in me, but because I've learned a lot, many lessons through able, inspired trainers, I'm now able actually to forgive.
So after training them, they also they were able to break the poverty. We know that most of our church leaders, or especially our pastors, they are living in a poverty life. So when they know through this subject of money maps, they really help them to break the poverty.
Thank you so much. As we have said that here in Oshe, like here at Jombo, people are very much affected with the floods. So this help is very much helpful to us, even to our affected members. And as I've said now, rain is still falling down. So we are expected to have another floods just because of heavy rain, which is still falling down.